The American Civil War was a transformative period in America's history. Florida had only been a state since 1845, but in January of 1861, a committee met in Tallahassee and voted in favor of seceding from the United States. The state's population was only 140,000, nearly half of whom were enslaved people. Since Florida became a territory in 1821, slavery was legal and became the basis for the state's cotton economy. Abolitionists in northern states sought to end slavery in the U.S., but many southern states, including Florida, resisted since so much of their economy relied on slave labor. During the war, Florida supplied both men and materials to the Confederacy. Over 15,000 Floridians fought during the war. Salt and beef cattle became the major exports from Florida. There were no large-scale battles fought in Florida. Most of these men served in other states. There were Floridians present at almost every major battle, including Gettysburg. The largest conflict fought on Florida soil was the Battle of Olustee near present-day Lake City in 1864. Other conflicts included the Battle of Natural Bridge, Fort Pickens, and the Battle of Santa Rosa Island. Florida's Civil War governor, John Milton, was a strong supporter of the Confederacy, even when the outcome of the war became clear by 1864. The blockade was working, and Florida's already small population was hit hard. On May 10, 1865, the Emancipation Proclamation was read from the steps of the Capitol in Tallahassee. Florida remained under federal occupation until a new constitution was finally approved in 1868, and Florida was readmitted into the Union.